I received this high-speed nail drill as a gift, and in this video, I'm showing a closer look at it and how it works. This is a 50,000 RPM professional E-file, which is commonly used for things like acrylic removal, gel removal, shaping, and other nail prep tasks. It comes with a full bit kit, so you have different attachments depending on what you're working on. The drill itself has a digital LCD display, which makes it easy to see and adjust the speed while you're using it. Being able to control the speed is really helpful because you can start slower for more control and increase the RPM when you need more power for removal. Another nice feature is the anti-slip base pad, which helps keep the unit stable on your work surface while you're using it. That's helpful so the machine doesn't slide around while you're working. The handpiece itself feels comfortable to hold, and the unit is designed to be portable, which makes it a good option whether you're practicing at home or using it in a salon setting. With speeds up to 50,000 RPM, it has plenty of power for things like gel or acrylic removal while still allowing you to adjust the speed for more precise shaping and detailing work. Overall, this was a really nice gift. It comes with everything you need to get started. It has adjustable speed control with a digital display, and the portable design makes it easy to use for nail art practice or professional style nail work.